what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, and welcome to another day trading video. Today, we're actually going to be going over MT4, so MetaTrader 4, which is used for Forex trading. I think you could do other things with it, but we just started the Top Step Forex Combine, which we're going to be doing every now and then on stream. If you're interested in joining me in that, it is linked down below. You can get 20% off. They're actually having a big sale right now, so you can go peruse that. But I just want to go over what MT4 is and some basic things that took me a little bit of time to figure out, just to help save you some time, hopefully. So I'm actually going to be setting up this chart right here to look similar to this. Typically I like dark themed things, but on MT4 it just kind of hurts my eyes, and I actually like the white themed. So to get into it, you do have the capability of adding lots of different windows in here. In order to change a specific window, you do need to click on it. Additionally, they do have the time frames up here above the window. This can actually be moved around to kind of make your life easier if you need that. So definitely something to note. So we're actually going to click on this first top chart, which is Euro USD. Immediately you can see this sell buy window where you can change your lot size and you can enter in at market. I'm going to change this to a 15-minute chart. So there we go. All I do is I click this 15-minute button. Now I'm going to make it visually better, right? So I'm going to first take off the grid, and I'm just right-clicking on the chart. Then I'm going to go to Properties, and here I can find Color Scheme, and I'm just going to change it to black on white. Okay, pretty simple. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this moving average, which I don't care for, right? So I'm just going to, again, right-click, go to Indicators List. It's going to come up with a pop-up right here. I'll just click on that and then click Delete. So now I have a clean chart. So if I want to zoom in, normally on a chart you would just like scroll your mouse wheel. If I scroll my mouse wheel, it just goes back in time. What I'm actually going to do is click and grab on the time scale down here at the bottom, and I can either zoom out or zoom in, depending on what level of detail I want to see. Additionally, if you wanted to create this to be its own window, you can just make it big, and you can make it small. You can also click this little arrange windows on non-overlapping areas, so that if it was like this, I can just click that and it will snap them all into place. So if we were to add some indicators to this chart, again, we will want to have this window selected. And over here on the left side where it says Navigator, where you can actually see indicators. So we can open that up, and here you'll find lots of indicators. MT4 actually has the ability to add indicators in that are publicly used, if you can find the file. In order to find the file, you can just search Google or whatever, but you'll just go to File, Open Data folder, and when you click on that, you can actually load in whatever indicator you want. You'll have to play around with that a little bit. The next big thing to note here is at the bottom, you can actually see all the positions that you have open, so it's a good idea to have this window open. And you can actually go and see your exposure and different trades and different orders and all of that. So the next big thing to note, if you want to maybe open up a different chart, you can go over here on your left side and right click and do chart window, and it'll open up a new window, which you can then snap into place, as we just showed. So I hope this video just quickly helps you understand a little bit of the basic navigations that I was struggling to find, just like finding my times, changing it to not be hurting on my eyes. Like, this is useless to me. You also might need to change to a candlestick. So if you go to Properties again, go to Common, and it might start on a bar chart, so you'll want to switch it to a candlestick as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure and press the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. We are going to be doing a little bit of Forex content as well as our normal futures trading. We do live stream every morning, Monday through Friday, starting at 8:30. While we're doing this Top Step Combine, we are going to be live streaming a little bit of it, as well as our futures combines as normal. So if you're interested in doing Top Step, it is linked down below. You can get 20% off, as well as the additional discounts going on right now. So I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you next time. Peace.